hashing. It's the trick behind that magical one-step lookup. And it's the engine inside hash maps and hash sets. We're building it from zero. By the end, you'll know exactly how a computer finds something instantly instead of searching for it. Here's the whole idea. Say you've got a big list, and you want to know if a name is in it. The obvious way is to scan. Check the first, the second, the third, all the way down. On a big list, that's slow. Hashing flips it. Instead of searching, we use a little formula, a hash function, that turns the value itself into a position in an array. So we don't look for the value. We compute where it lives and jump straight there. One step, no scan. Let's watch the hash function work. It takes a key, here a word, and turns it into a number. A simple version just adds up the letter codes, then takes the remainder when you divide by the array size. That remainder is always a valid slot number. Watch. Cat hashes to slot 0, bird to 1, dog to 2, and each one drops straight into its place. We never searched. The key itself told us exactly where to go. That's the entire magic of hashing. But there's a catch, and it's important. 2 different keys can hash to the same slot. Watch. Fish also lands on slot 2, where dog already sits. That's called a collision. We don't panic. We just hang both keys in the same bucket as a tiny list. That's called chaining. As long as our hash function spreads keys out evenly, collisions stay rare and buckets stay short. So a lookup is still basically one step. That's why we say hashing is O of 1 on average. And here's why this one idea matters so much. Hashing is the engine under 2 structures you'll use constantly. A hash set, instant yes or no, have I seen this before? A hash map, instant lookup of a value by its key. And those power half the problems ahead. Contains duplicate, two-sum, valid anagram. All of them turn a slow scan into an instant hash lookup. Learn hashing once, and that whole family suddenly makes sense. Quick recap. 1. Hashing turns a value into an array index with a hash function. So you compute where it lives instead of searching. 2. Different keys can collide, and we handle that by chaining. A good hash keeps it rare, so lookups are O of 1 on average. 3. This is the engine behind hash sets and hash maps and a huge slice of the problems ahead. Understand it. Don't memorize it. That's hashing, built from 0. You've seen the hash function turn a key into a slot, how collisions are handled, and why lookups are basically instant. Next up, hash maps and dictionaries, putting this engine to work. This is Unrote. Understand it. Don't memorize it.